Okay guys, welcome back, Mossy5734, and we are continuing with our unboxing of rare Kyosho Mini Z's, guys. Getting to the end now. Yep, just 2 lots left from what I believe. Yeah, I'm not going to bother. I've got some more stuff coming. I'm not going to bother, guys. You'll see them in race vids. So this is definitely going to be the end of it now, unless that Falcon shell turns up, the Porsche one. But yeah, apart from that, got everything I wanted. Content, satisfied. We're gonna move on. In the background you can see the tanks. We need to unbox them lot of bad boys and check them out, guys, because they're bad. They're interesting, man. If you haven't, like me, I haven't messed with tanks since I was a kid, right? They have moved on a lot. Anyhow, check that out after these unboxings are finished. Right, guys, so got some things from the UK. I don't normally get the stuff from the UK, but there were 2 things. One of them I didn't really need, guys, but I just got it because I got a feeling this shell's gonna be a collector's item. I actually got this before the one with the alloy wheels turned up, so this is one of my favourite Mini Z shells. And the other one is one I had my eye on for a little while. But so we've got the Porsche. I don't know how you pronounce that. Is it Cayenne Turbo? I don't know. Yeah, I had that in a silver, but it was kind of like a used shell, so it was kind of like knackered. It had better days. So black and chrome looks beautiful. The Cadillac shell is similar as well, guys, and has a beautiful effect. You're gonna see that on the display stand. Don't worry about the glare. So check that little bad boy out. Really jacked up, really high. Similar to the Ford 150 body shell, which is another nice one. Okay, see you. So yeah, okay. And let's get into this little bad boy. And again, I have unboxed this before, but you know what, guys? You know, the R8s are my favourite body shells. And I don't know why, I've just got a feeling that as time goes on, this will be a very sought after body shell. It'll become pretty rare. Because there you got it right with this one. So yeah, as I say, you have seen this before. I've unboxed it, you probably would have seen it in many places anyway. It's got a nice bit of a bubble wrap in there with it. So the Audi R8 LMS 2016 black and red version, which well, it's not looking very sporty right now. Let's get it out of here. So yeah, it's from a seller in the UK. I'm the only guy that actually sells Mini Z's like properly, as in a guy that's I think he's actually one of their, not a rep, but one of the representative sellers in the UK, I think. So, right, let me get that stuff out. You don't want to see that. Okay, take 2. Pretend you didn't even see that bubble wrap. Come on! So guys, having a bit of a fight with this and losing. So yeah, that is beautiful, and I really feel that they got it right with that colour scheme. If I could turn the red into white, I'd turn that into a police car. It's one time. I think that would look so cool if all the red bits on there were painted white, and that's painstaking, and there's no way you're gonna get that intricate line and not, you know, come off onto the actual body shell. So yep. So I got that. That's like probably one I won't use. That's gonna stay in its case, and the other one it'll definitely be getting used. So you're going to see that little bad boy on the stand. I'm doing a collection of cars, guys. I'm doing my R8 collection. I've got quite a few of them. And obviously the alloy one, with the one there with the alloy wheels, that's totally smashed it. That's going to be in there as well. And I'm doing a Ferrari collection. And maybe a Lambo one, I can't remember. But yep. Okay, so check them out on the stand. And guys, the next vid's a little bit different. because there's some funky alloy wheels in the next vid. And not just that, guys, there's body shells that I hoped would fit Mini Zs, because they're not Mini Z body shells, they look really different. And they're actually made out of alloy, where the Mini Z is made out of plastic, bit different. Anyhow, check out the next vid, guys. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't, it's my mistake you can learn from. Alright guys, check them out on the display stand, get ready for the next vid. Subscribe, get notified, be ready, Mossy5734. Okay, so here we've got the Porsche Cayenne Turbo, that's how I pronounce it. And this is in black. And like the Cadillac shell, it's black with chrome, which I think looks amazing. Not only on the Cadillac shell, but also on the Hummer as well. Really cool looking shell. And the wheels aren't that amazing, but yeah. Quite a popular SUV, I think it is anyway. I don't know if it's 7-seater. But even in the UK, a lot of people seem to fancy that. Q7 is pretty popular as well. But yeah, I had one in silver, guys, but that kind of came a little bit damaged. But I have one in black, pretty cool. Love the twin exhausts at the back, nice little touch. And that's sat really high up. In real life, I don't know if it's really sat that high up. I mean, it is sat pretty high, but I don't know if it's got that much ground clearance, but it's all good. So either I'll use it, or I'll put it into my vids as extras. I haven't got that many SUVs or like bigger scale Mini Z overland kind of cars. But yeah, out of the overland ones, this is a pretty cool one, but I would say that the chrome Hummer that, you know, I've managed to pick up, that is pretty cool. The X5 I like as well, and the Cadillac has probably got the biggest wheels of any Mini Z that I've seen. It's massive. You know, in real scale, it looks like 22-inch wheels or something crazy. Massive wheels, even bigger than that. So yeah, definitely nice. I was surprised I got that in the UK. But yeah, there was a seller had it in the UK. I wasn't really interested in getting it, but it was on there for a while and the price dropped and I negotiated with him. And I thought, alright, cool. Because this is my last unboxing, I don't mind going out my way, doing, you know, getting something that was kind of on my tick list, but not something that I was really after. Worked out pretty cool, and I think, you know, it'll be an asset to some of the things that I'm going to do. So stay tuned to see that, guys. I've got a collection coming up called the Mini Z Overland Collection. In that, I've put all my Overland body shells together. So there's some cool stuff there. So look out for that vid as well, guys. That should be coming up. I was contemplating turning these into a police, like a police SUV. So I was thinking about the Cadillac. I was thinking about this one. Not exactly sure. But what makes it a little bit easier, guys, is for some reason, I mean, these must be the older Overland body shells, because the older ones had an aerial pointing out at the top. You notice that with most Mini Zs, because they were designed for, I think, the, you know, 27 megahertz versions, which had the antenna popping out. So to fit a light bar, I need to put a hole in the roof anyway, and this has kind of got it. So it's made it easier, and then I'd have to obviously kit it out and put stickers and stuff like that on it, which I've kind of, whoa, don't disappear you, which I've kind of got anyway. I mean, this is for the cars that are sport cars, a lot smaller. There's somebody in the UK selling that on eBay. They're for like slot cars, but some of the Mini Z sport cars won't take the bigger stickers, and these are the 1/18 scale, which will be okay on the Overlands. So I haven't made my mind up. I don't want to make too many police cars. I've got 2 spare light bars, so I'm not sure. Stay tuned. Let's see how we get on. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking, guys. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, let's move on. Audi R8, guys, LMS 2015 version, and this is in black and red, and my all-time favourite. I mean, there's a newer one that I got that's kind of gunmetal with alloy wheels. With the wheels, that one looks crazy, but just stock, black and red looks amazing. I've already got it, but I want to have one as a backup just to keep, so I don't end up racing it, smashing it, scratching it. I've just got a feeling that unless they remold it and make it again, that's going to be a classic. It's going to be hard to get hold of. So yeah, I definitely like to hold on to that. I mean, what's shocking is the old Ferrari. I mean, not even old, guys. The LaFerrari, the 458, really hard to get hold of. In Japan, they're classed as super rare, and they're like, sellers are selling them for £100. You know, you can get the Ferraris in the UK still at $38.99, but over there, it's like, just for a normal, nothing amazing, £100. For the 458s, you're looking at £150 up to £200. And I've seen pre-owned ones that got damage on them going for £150 just because of the yellow. But yeah, so that's definitely something. So obviously in Japan, maybe they didn't release that many Ferraris. I don't know, but they seem to be hard to get hold of. And surprisingly, the S2000, again, another car hard to get hold of, but in Germany you can get hold of them. So I don't know if it was the way they shipped them out, that they didn't do it equally, or it's just that people raced them to death and destroyed them. I don't know, but they're not really ones you can get hold of. But that definitely is one of my all-time favourite supercar body shells. They got it right. And I would love to turn that into a police car, but it's just too much work. It's a lot of fine work. It's going to take a long time. Doable, but then you've really got to get fine lines on the grills, on the front and the back, and it's really easy to mess it up. So if it was 1/8 scale, no problem. I've made my own police cars with McLaren's 1/8 scale ones. You probably, if you check the video on my highest viewed video, has that police car on it with the R8 versus the McLaren. And yeah, so that was just a case of spraying it up and doing it the way I wanted to, and it kind of turned out alright.